Hi everyone, my name is Li Shan Huang. I am Taiwanese American. I live in New York City, and I'm really speaking to everyone in Taiwan, in the Taiwanese diaspora, to immigrants, expats in Taiwan, friends of Taiwan, wherever you are in the world. And the idea here is to create a crowdsourced campaign using hashtag #OurTaiwan. And this is really a response to a blog post and some of the things going on around Taiwanese tourism and the things that the government has been doing. So my friend Kathy Chang writes a blog called Tricky Taipei, where she pointed out what she called amateur, unprofessional, embarrassing posts on the Trip to Taiwan Twitter and Instagram accounts. And these accounts are meant to promote Taiwan to an American audience in English. And there were issues with spelling, with some choices of not crediting photographers, promoting some weird stuff that really didn't have to do with Taiwan, actually promoting neighboring countries instead. And so I'm not really here to criticize that anymore. You can read about the embarrassing details on Kathy's blog. Some of these things have been fixed by Trip to Taiwan, and the point here isn't to continue calling people out. It's to recruit you all to join in this crowdsourced campaign. So using hashtag #OurTaiwan, post about your own stories, your own experience with Taiwan, about our culture, our food, music, whatever you want, nature, your own stories. So the idea is to show the government running this tourism bureau the kinds of talent and the stories and the creativity that we have, and to really harness that. But it's also to show the world directly our story. We can't rely on the government to do that for us. We've seen where they failed, we see where they've made a mistake, apologized, and moved on. But let's hold them accountable, but in a positive way with our own creativity. So #OurTaiwan, hashtag, and I look forward to what you come up with. Bye.